Bannange Solomon Serwanje, how are you? Yango ine eddoboozi eriwoomerera.
Hey, Sherry.
Juti mukazi wakubye kiboko.
Wow. Sherry, olabye dina yange gye nkuweereza.
Wanzi?
Olabye dina yange gye nkuweereza.
Oh, Nyanga, thank you so much.
Did you see it?
Yeah, bajja kwa ki? Bajja kulesa emmere mukama yalo osunga okutana.
Did you see it?
Hmm?
Did you see it?
Yes, thank you so much. I was wondering.
You didn't bring my name.
No, you did not.
Hey, should have.
I do. For real, you did not even bring your number.
Oh, because I'm on MTN. You know, because when you send me money from MTN to Airtel, like, is it through some other number, Nezija?
But it has a Montreal, then it is a Montreal.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Come on, there, watch.
I love you, Joe.
Thank you. I feel remembered.
Last time you told me you love me too. That's not happy.
Okay. I love you too.
I love you.
And I finish off.
When?
I love you. And delete my number.
I love you.
There's no women have attended so fasting. Their husbands actually delete my number. Delete my number.
Okay. Just tell me you love me too.
Bye.
I love you.
You've given me the chirozo. Where you can call them mommy. Sinina gwen Suzanne dinna cheyombekedde. Yokudda kamani na wenyenya wano ku kitanda. Namubuuza emmere gy'oliddeko ameze sorry. Ekitonde ekisajja Mukama yeesigaliza akatiba kaakyo.